Okay, put up the divers down flag. Let's go. So here you can see that white square box, not square but rectangular box, is the Rule-O-Matic float switch for the round bilge pump. In the back you can see the extra high water alarm and big bilge pump. Then there's the dripless shaft seal. One battery, battery chargers, circuit breaker panel, two big batteries. That's the sea strainer for the engine itself for the Yanmar. Let me see if I can get all of me in here. And my feet. Okay, that red T-handle is the dipstick for the engine transmission. That's for the ZF or ZF transmission. And then looking forward, let me wiggle in some more. There's the big dipstick on the port side. There's another dipstick on the starboard side. There's the heat exchanger with two gold nuts, brass nuts. Those are pencil zincs. Got one more pencil zinc back here. And a few more on the far side. There's the starter with the red positive post. And wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There is your seawater pump. And it does not look like it's leaking much. It's got a little bit of a leak on it, but not much. Let me reposition my body. So that's more oil and dust. Okay, so that's not salt. Looks like that silver stuff is never seized, which is a lead-based compound. I don't know why anybody would use never seize up here. There's your fan belt. Actually, it's an alternator belt. It's a little bit loose. I'd like it a little bit tighter than that. The alternator itself. But everything looks pretty good up here. Your big filter, your Raycor filter, that's a model number 900. There's the 900. And you can see that the fluid on the inside of it's pretty clean. So that's all good. That is your raw water pump for pumping off the mud off the bow of the boat for the anchor. Another strainer for the raw water pump. And everything down here is looking pretty good. If you want, while I'm here, I'll pull out the transmission dipstick and we'll see what that looks like.